Did you know that a 360-degree health plan is the easiest and most reliable way to ensure you and your employees are always safe and healthy? Now, access to expert healthcare services is just a tap away. Welcome to Practo, Corporate Benefit Plan, a name trusted by more than 30 crore users for their health and well-being. With Practo, you can consult with highly qualified doctors for all your health issues and get access to great offers on a range of healthcare services like online medicines delivery available across 110 plus cities in India within 48 hours, discounts on lab tests, wide range of tests available, free sample pickup from NABL accredited labs, and 24/7 support service. And that's not all. You can also avail Employee Assistance Program, cashless OPT, health checkup packages, and easy access to all medical records stored safely. Ambulance service for all employees in case of emergencies. Personalized dashboard where you can track the utilization of the plan by the employees. Regular engagement activities for your employees. Webinars, info sessions, health feeds, and newsletters. And Practo experts are always just a call away. We offer 24/7 support services to answer all your queries. Get in touch with our experts to make a custom plan for your organization.